That's true. That's true.
Three.
So the first thing we're going to do, these privacy sleeves. No. Joseph Biden won the site, 230. He won this scanner, and this one was what, 76.
And they've provided your one.
And that's